Today I'll show you how to change Google AdSense account type. First, it's important to know what account type means in Google AdSense. When you create an AdSense account, you usually choose between an individual account and a business account. An individual account is usually for one person. A business account is usually for a company or organization. Now, here's the important part. In most cases, Google AdSense does not allow you to directly change your account type after the account has been created. So, if your AdSense account was created as an individual account, you usually cannot simply switch it to a business account from the settings page. And if your account was created as a business account, you usually cannot directly switch it to an individual account either. But you can still check your current account type. To do this, open your browser and go to Google AdSense. Sign in with the Google account connected to your AdSense account. Once you are inside your AdSense dashboard, look at the left side menu. Click on Payments. Then click Payments Info. On the Payments page, find the Settings section. Click Manage Settings. Now look for your payments profile. Here you may see your account type, your name, your address, and other payment details. If the account type can be edited in your country or situation, you may see an edit option next to it, but for most users, this option is not available. If you selected the wrong account type by mistake, the usual solution is to close the current AdSense account and create a new one with the correct account type. Before closing your account, make sure you check your payment balance, payment method, and any important tax information. If your balance is eligible for payment, Google may send a final payment after the account is closed. After that, you can sign up again for AdSense and choose the correct account type during the setup process. Make sure you select the right option carefully. Choose Individual if the account is for you personally. Choose Business if the payment should go to a company or organization. Also, make sure the name, address, tax details, and payment information match the account type you choose. This can help avoid verification or payment problems later. So, to keep it simple, you usually cannot directly change the Google AdSense account type. You can check it in your payment settings, but if it is wrong, you may need to close the account and create a new one with the correct type. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.